When you had it all in your hand, the Master was molding you according to His plan. Everything inside of you was jumping for joy, 'cause it was the real thing. You couldn't wait for